silly little Silkie hen. You can see how silly it looks yet. Sorry, there's a lot of trucks today. And a lot of sawing going on too. Hey buddy, you gonna figure it out? Hey, girls are out here. It's Marshmallow and Licorice. Graham in the back. She's actually surprised me. She's been the first one that's gone in and out with the steps and the ramps. But here's how silly the little pin looks. I know it's not a good view. But here's the ramp we built last night. We got the hinges finally. And one of them still went down on the steps, so I'm leaving both of them as options. Of course, they're hiding after that one. Come here, Marshall. Hey, baby. I'll put some ragweed in there for them. It's like, oh, I had ragweed every single time. Look at these red spots on my hands. I don't know. See? That's what happens when I touch ragweed. Oh, the turkeys found me. Oh no. I want the turkey to find me and the little hens. Hi, baby. Marshmallow. Hi, Doodle. Yeah, what you think, Chart? So, turkey really doesn't like marshmallow and thinks marshmallow looks tasty. But I noticed when they come to talk to the hens, they're entirely different. They're just like chilling, hanging out. I haven't seen him try to eat them, but see? He's figuring out that he can come get me though. Like they'll go and eat together. Hi, baby. What you doing? You trying to come to me? I don't want you to come to me. Hi. Hey. What's up? No, you can't get on there. You can get on my house. I'm sure you can get on there, but please don't get on there. You're way too smart. Oh no, your friend's coming. Alright, don't think about it, guys. I know. Look, I can get to them if I wanted to. I think you want to. I don't like that there's gaps in this too. It's not really not safe. That's why I'm out here. They're like, you're a big bird. You are, you're a big bird. What are you doing with my popcorn chickens? Y'all are plotting. So, on a scale of 1 to 10, how do you rate Daddy's building? I see. You girls aren't scared, right? She's just laying over there. Oh, what a bully. Yeah, Marshmallow, I hear you. Cluck, cluck, cluck. What the cluck? You don't see me anymore, Doodle, huh? I'm coming, Doodle. There, I'm in the window again. You see me. Come out the window. Come meet the girls. You've met the girls, but come meet the outside out here. It's like, can you just take me back to the garden? So loud. He does not like the trucks. So yeah, this is the work in progress. Hopefully eventually we'll be able to get something more sturdy, but the wood itself for the ramps was so much. Like, I think both of them were. And like, this isn't even actual fencing. Ugh. Marshmallow. Here, buddy. What are we doing, Tart Tart? So, I've been leaning on this tree, and the turkeys came and found me on that tree, and then they're all like looking at the tree like, I like this tree. I'm like, you didn't like it until I was in it. You didn't have that idea until I did. Yeah, before they started getting up on my roof, actually literally that morning I had been looking at the trees over here, and I'm like, I'm surprised they don't come getting these trees to roost, because these trees actually, you know, would be good ones. Another one is over here. That might be a good one. Hey, baby. What you doing, Doodle? I call all the dudes Doodle. Like, because they're dudes, but they're cockaDOODLEs. Although the turkey isn't, but I don't think the turkeys know that. Yeah? You gonna cockaDOODLE for us? Let's see if I can get you. I can't tell if I got him. A little bit, but I think it's blurry. There's too much of a glare for me to tell. Come here, Doodle. Marshmallow. Come on, Doodle. Come on, Doodle. I'm gonna get a turkey while I'm calling you. Hey, Tart Tart. What you doing? Grandma's just laying there taking her a dirt bath. Licorice loves the dirt bath. She'll lay in the dirt, play for an hour or two. So they all want to get some dirt. Marshmallow. Hey, Marshmallow. He's looking at the side where I'm usually at inside the... So I have to come put you on the table, but if I put him on the table, I have to be in there. Which means he's not going to want to come out here. There we go. I think they need more steps. There's a really big gap right there. I'm like, it's more like a slide.